Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0014 indicates a malfunction within the variable valve timing control (VTC-B) system of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This error is triggered when the powertrain control module (PCM) detects an abnormal phase difference between the control command and the actual position of the exhaust camshaft. The exhaust camshaft plays a crucial role in regulating the engine's air intake and exhaust processes, optimizing performance and efficiency. When the VTC system operates correctly, it adjusts the timing of the camshaft to keep engine performance at its best across a range of speeds and loads. A malfunction can lead to reduced engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential engine damage if not addressed. In order to rectify this issue, it is vital to follow a structured diagnostic process to identify and fix the root cause of the problem. The DTC P0014 arises due to a phase control command issue where the actual position of the exhaust camshaft does not align with what the powertrain control module (PCM) expects. The PCM is critical in managing engine performance by monitoring and adjusting various components. The exhaust camshaft is especially important as it regulates exhaust flow, which contributes directly to engine efficiency and emissions control. If the exhaust camshaft is delayed or advanced unexpectedly, it signals a malfunction that can negatively impact dynamics and performance, leading to potential drivability concerns. The phase sensor detects the position and sends feedback to the PCM, which interprets this data to adjust timing accordingly. Therefore, an inconsistency in this phase indicates an urgent need for troubleshooting to prevent further damage to the system. Understanding the possible causes of DTC P0014 is essential for effective diagnosis. First, low engine oil pressure can hinder the operation of the variable valve timing (VTC) system. Insufficient oil can prevent the VTC oil control solenoid from functioning properly. The VTC oil control solenoids, such as valve A and B, are responsible for adjusting the flow of oil to the VTC actuator. If these components are faulty or malfunctioning, they may not adequately control the camshaft phase adjustment. Additionally, debris or clogs in the VTC system's oil passages can obstruct oil flow, leading to discrepancies in camshaft timing. Therefore, each potential cause represents a key focus area in resolving the P0014 code, and thorough inspections of these components and conditions are critical for diagnosis and corrective action. The symptoms of DTC P0014 can manifest in various ways, significantly impacting the driving experience. One of the most noticeable effects is engine performance issues. The vehicle may exhibit a lack of power or acceleration, particularly during aggressive driving. Furthermore, reduced fuel efficiency often accompanies this trouble code. Improper valve timing can lead to incomplete combustion and wasted fuel. In some cases, drivers may notice an increase in emissions as the engine fails to operate within its optimal performance range. Additionally, dashboard lights, such as the check engine light, may illuminate, prompting the driver to seek a resolution. It is essential to address these symptoms promptly to ensure the vehicle operates efficiently, minimizing both environmental impact and repair costs. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0014 involves interfacing with the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS) to assess the VTC function. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This activates the vehicle's electrical systems, allowing the HDS to communicate with the powertrain control module (PCM). Next, select the EX-VTC option on the HDS, which focuses specifically on variable valve timing diagnostics. The HDS will display results indicating whether the VTC system operates within normal parameters. If the HDS reports an abnormal result, it confirms that the malfunction is likely present and further inspection is warranted. This step is essential as it provides a preliminary diagnostic assessment to help isolate the issue before conducting more invasive testing. For the second troubleshooting step, conduct a test drive to gather real-time data regarding the vehicle's variable valve timing functionality. This involves driving the vehicle at a steady speed, between 25 to 75 miles per hour, 40 to 120 kilometers per hour, for a duration of 10 minutes. This speed range is optimal for VTC operation, allowing the system to enter different operational phases. While driving, monitor the HDS for the EXVTC status, which indicates whether the VTC system is actively engaged. After the test drive, check the HDS for any recorded DTCs, especially P0014. This practical assessment allows technicians to see how the vehicle performs under normal driving conditions and helps confirm whether the previously flagged DTC persists or correlates with specific driving behaviors. The final repair verification step is critical to ensure that all repairs have resolved the DTC P0014 issue effectively. Begin by testing all related functions of the variable valve timing system to confirm operational integrity. This includes verifying that both VTC oil control solenoids are functioning correctly and that oil flow is unobstructed. After conducting these tests and confirming that the system operates within specifications, proceed to clear the DTCs using the HDS. Finally, retest the vehicle under similar conditions as before to confirm that the systems remain stable and the DTC does not reappear. This verification process is essential to provide peace of mind to both the technician and the vehicle owner that the problem has been effectively addressed. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0014 and ensuring the longevity of the VTC system. Regular oil changes are paramount, as engine oil lubricates and cools engine components, including the VTC solenoids and oil passages. Utilizing the manufacturer-recommended oil type and changing it at specified intervals will keep the system running smoothly. Additionally, regularly monitoring engine oil levels can help detect potential leaks or excessive consumption before they lead to significant issues. It is also critical to conduct periodic inspections of the VTC system to identify and rectify any blockages, clogs, or solenoid malfunctions preemptively. This proactive approach to maintenance not only ensures system reliability, but also optimizes engine performance and efficiency. In conclusion, understanding the operation and importance of the variable valve timing control system is key to diagnosing and resolving DTC P0014 effectively. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach enables technicians to isolate the issue efficiently and address it appropriately. Throughout the process, recognizing the potential symptoms allows for timely intervention, preventing further complications that could arise from neglecting the issue. Emphasizing preventive maintenance practices such as routine oil changes and VTC system checks not only mitigates the risk of reoccurrence, but also enhances overall vehicle performance. A proactive stance on maintenance and diagnostics ultimately leads to improved efficiency, reduced emissions, and increased driver satisfaction. By adhering to these principles, vehicle owners can enjoy the superior performance that Honda Civics are designed to deliver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!